Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us one more smartwatch, and this time it's the Dizo Watch 2 Sports Edition. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you its features. So starting with the unboxing, in the front we have the model name Dizo Watch 2 Sports Edition. And here we have the picture of the smartwatch. Dizo, as you all know, is a brand by Realme. At this side of the box we have the key features such as 1.69-inch display, 110 plus sports modes, SpO2 and heart rate monitoring, it's 580 mAh waterproof, 10 days battery life, and you get the 150 plus watch faces through the app. At the back we have the box content info, and here we can see the MRP, which is Rs 3499. But the launch price of this smartwatch is Rs 1999, and it will be available on Flipkart from 8th of March. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we get the smartwatch itself, and guys, this is the black variant, and apart from that, this smartwatch is available in few different colors. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the user guide, which has the detailed info about the features of this smartwatch, and then we get this magnetic charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Dizo Watch 2 Sports is the budget smartwatch. And comparing it to the previous Dizo Watch 2, there are few changes, or you can say downgrades in this smartwatch. So starting with the overview, so instead of the zinc alloy body, now in this watch we get the polycarbonate body. But as it's a sports edition, you get more options when it comes to the sports modes. In terms of the design and build quality, keeping in mind that this smartwatch is priced at 1999, the build quality and the design is very good. It's lightweight, and also the straps are made up of good quality material. And I found the watch comfortable on the hand. The display of this watch is a 1.69-inch touchscreen, which offers a curved design, and it also comes with the high 600 nits brightness. At the side of the watch we have the function button, and here at the back we have the sensors such as the heart rate and the SpO2 sensor, and above it we have the charging points. So in terms of the design and build quality, I'm really happy with the build and the overall design of this smartwatch, and it does look and feel premium. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here the watch is on, and here you can select the language of your choice, and then you need to scan the QR code to download the app. The companion app Dizo is available on both Android and iOS platform. And once you sign up and fill in all the details, you need to select the Dizo Watch 2 from the list. And once done, accept the pairing request on the watch. And that's it, your smartwatch is now ready to use. Now let me quickly show you the watch features. So here we are on the watch face. Now before we talk about anything else, about the display, though it's not AMOLED, but it's bright and the colors look wonderful on this display. Now about the features, upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. And guys, you can also download more watch faces from the app that I will show you in a moment. So swiping down from the top will show you the notification history, and when you swipe right from the left side, you get the quick settings panel. And here we have the DND, raise to wake, brightness up to 5 levels, torch, battery saver mode, which reduces the brightness and limit other features to give you more battery backup. And then we have the settings of the watch that I will show you in a moment. Swiping left from the right side will show you the quick apps, and here we have the activity status, sleep, heart rate, weather, and the music control. To access the main menu, you need to swipe up from the bottom. And guys, as you might have also noticed that the touch response is good and the menu of this smartwatch is lag free, which is again very good. Now about the features. So in the menu first we have the activity data, and here you can see the step count, calories burned, and the distance covered during the day. Then in the menu we have the heart rate, and here in this smartwatch you get the continuous heart rate monitoring. And also the data is accurate. And one more thing, you don't get the false reading when you're not wearing the smartwatch. Similar things we have noticed with the SpO2 monitoring. But again, this data is only for reference and should not be used for medical purposes. Then in the menu we have the sleep, and here you can see your last night's sleep data. After that we have the workout menu. And guys, these are some of the default workouts you have available on the watch. But as mentioned earlier, you get the 110 plus workout modes which you can access from the app. After that in the menu, we have the workout history, alarm, and here you can set the alarm from the watch itself, and you can also choose the days here, which is a good option. After that we have the weather, and here you have the current weather along with the weather forecast for upcoming 3 days. Then in the menu we have the usual stopwatch, timer with some preset timer option, and then we have the music control. And here you can control the music on your phone and also increase or decrease the volume. But for some reason, we were getting something written in Chinese on the top. After that we have the camera, and here you can control the camera remotely on your phone, but you can only control it via the app and it doesn't work with the native camera app on your phone. After the camera we have the breath training, and here you can do some breathing exercises to calm yourself down. After that we have the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. And then we get the female health tracking, which can be turned on from the app. And then finally we have the settings. And in the settings we have the watch faces, screen on time, menu style, and about the menu style you can choose between the list view or the grid view. Then in the settings we have the vibration settings, language, fit notification, which is basically the reminders such as idle alert, goal achievement, drink water reminder, and the high heart rate alert. And then in the settings we have the usual power off, reset, and the about menu. So that's all the features we have in the smartwatch, and feature wise I'm really happy with the features available in this smartwatch, and except the stress monitoring, you get all the necessary features. Now let me quickly show you the companion app Dizo. So here we are on the home page, and on the top we have the step count and the calories burned. And then we have the dial center, and from here you can see the 150 plus cloud based watch faces. And guys, some of these watch faces look pretty good on the watch. And also you can set the custom watch face from here. Then we have the sleep data, and after that we have the heart rate and the SpO2 data. And you can tap on any of these cards to see the historical data. Then we have the profile page, and here we can see the connected watch on the top. And then we have the switch center, which is same as the watch store. And after that we have the camera menu, notification, and from here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, in this smartwatch you can silent or reject the call from the watch itself. And now let me show you the app notification. And here is the WhatsApp message alert. And as expected, we don't get the preset replies and the emoji support in this smartwatch. Then in the settings we have the reminders, and after that we have the heart rate settings, and from here you can turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring. So that's all the feature we have on the companion app. The app is basic and simple and easy to use, but it does give you all the necessary features. So overall the Dizo Watch 2 Sports offers a good design and build quality. The display of this watch is pretty good, and apart from the good touch response, the menu is also lag and stutter free. Feature wise, you're getting almost all the features which you expect from a budget smartwatch. The fitness data is also accurate, and the watch is really comfortable on the hand. You get good battery backup, and with the moderate usage, it can easily last up to a week. So in short, if you're looking for a budget fitness smartwatch under Rs 2000, then we think this smartwatch is a very good option, and you should definitely consider this smartwatch. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Dizo Watch 2 Sports Edition smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.